Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make multilingual WordPress site. So let's just begin. First of all, you need to log in into your WordPress dashboard, and after that we have to go inside the plugin and we have to add new plugin. Okay, so in the plugin I actually need to search for the G Translate. And as you can see that we have this plugin Translate WordPress with G Translate. So let's just install this, and now let's just activate this plugin. Okay, so as you can see here that our plugin is activated right now. So now what we need to do, we have to go inside the settings of our plugin. Okay, so first of all, let me just go to my website here. And you will be able to see here that our website is only available in a single language, which is English. So how can we make this a multilingual website? So let's go back. Okay, so now what we need to do, as you can see here, show in menu. So from here, I will simply select the primary menu. And the widget look would be a kind of drop down. So this is how our widget will look like. So now let's just save the changes here, and you will be able to see the language translate option here. So as you can see here that the current language of our website is English. So if I just want to convert this into Arabic, I will simply click here, and this would actually change the language of our website into the Arabic. And the similar way I can convert this into the German, and we can also convert this into Spanish, and you can also convert this in other languages here as well. So let's go back to the English again. Alright, so now let's go back to the dashboard, and from here you can actually select the language of your choice. So for example, I want to choose the Urdu language here, so I will simply go here and select the Urdu language. And if I save the changes, go back to our website, so let's refresh this, and you will be able to see the Urdu here. Alright, so this is how you can add the language of your choice as well. So let's go back to the English language again. Alright, so now if we wanted to add this widget into the footer, so how can we do that? So first of all, we will go inside the appearance, and in the appearance we will go inside the widgets. And if I go back to the website and scroll down to the footer, you will be able to see that we don't have this widget. So I just want to locate this widget under this section, so I'll simply go back, and from here I will simply go into the footer builder widgets 3, and you can see that we have locate us a widget here. So I'll simply click on the add new block, and from here I will search for the G Translate. Click here and update the widgets. And now if I go back to our website and click on the refresh again, you will be able to see our language widget here. So I can also change the language from here as well in the footer. Alright, so let's just write down the Spanish, and this would actually convert the language of our website into the Spanish. So let's just go back to our English language again. Alright, so now I will simply go back to the dashboard again, and from here we go into the G Translate. If I want to show the name of the languages in their native language, so how can we do that? We will simply check on this option, native language names, and from here you will be able to see that the name of the other languages are actually in their native language. So if we have the Arabic, we have the name of the Arabic language in the Arabic. So if we have the French, so we have the name in the French. In the similar way, we also have the other options. Okay, so let's just save this change and go back to our website. Let's just refresh the website and let's click on this drop down, and now you will be able to see the name of the language in their native language. Alright, so if I wanted to add the flag of the country along with the language, so how can we do that? We'll simply go inside the dashboard here, and from here we will simply click on the widget look, and you can see the multiple options here where we have the drop down with the flags, where we have the flags and the drop down. So I'll simply click on the drop down with flags, and you will be able to see the name of the language, and along with that we have the flags of the country. Okay, so let me just save this again, and let's go back to our website, refresh the website, you will be able to see the flags here with the language. So for example, if we have the user in the Pakistan, so the default language of his browser is actually the Urdu. So how can we convert the language of our website automatically to the browser's default language? Okay, so for that I have to open up the Google Chrome here. And in the Google Chrome, as you can see that I have already opened our website. But the thing is, the default language of our browser is actually the Urdu. So how can I automatically convert the language of the website into the Urdu or any other language which is the default language of the browser? So for that, we'll simply go back to our dashboard. And from here, you will be able to see the option of auto switch to the browser language. So if I just check this and save the changes, let's just open up the Google Chrome again. And let's just go back to our dashboard here, and let me just copy the link of our website, and let's just go back to the Google Chrome and paste the link here. And now you will be able to see that the language of our website is automatically converted into the Urdu language, which is actually the default language of our browser. So if the default language of your browser is actually the Spanish, so the language of our website will be automatically converted into the Spanish. So this is how we can make the multilingual WordPress website. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.